Welcome to 3018 Flagstone Drive, the epitome of Southern charm and elegance in the exclusive Laurelbrooke gated community in Franklin, Tennessee. This beautiful 4-bed, 4-bath, all-brick home overlooks lush, mature landscaping that is virtually maintenance-free. The wide front entry steps and porch are private yet welcoming to all who enter. Inside, the grand foyer showcases an even grander staircase and private sitting room to the left and formal dining room to the right. A guest bedroom with well-appointed guest bath is located off the entry hall, perfect for out-of-town guests. The architectural features like columns, crown molding, wainscoting, and rich hardwood floors give an air of sophistication, but the open floor plan in the main living area feels warm and inviting. Here, the kitchen is truly the heart of the home. Wraparound cabinets and pantry offer plenty of storage. Quartz countertops and stainless steel appliances, including a double oven, are perfect for any chef. And from the island, there are two bar tops where you can see all the action. The main living room has a gas fireplace and tall ceilings. The dinette area is big enough for a table and chairs, and the adjoining den features floor-to-ceiling windows and doors that lead to a private porch. The perfect spot to have dessert, a glass of wine, and watch the sunset. Off the main living area is the owner's suite. Tray ceilings are an elegant touch, and huge windows frame the lovely backyard. The huge master closet will make any fashionista happy, and the bath featuring dual sinks, separate shower, and garden tub with jets offers a spa-at-home experience. A main floor laundry room and second staircase make it very convenient on laundry days. Upstairs, there are 2 bonus rooms. One for adults, complete with wet bar and plenty of space for a pool table, and a second one for kids, perfect for video games and sleepovers. Another room with built-in desks is the ideal homeschool room or office, and a second spacious room could become the perfect music studio or hobby room. The 2 upstairs bedrooms each have their own bathroom, spacious closets, and large windows to let in tons of natural light. Several hall closets mean you won't be lacking for storage. Out back, a patio with a gas line connect for the grill leads to a 3-car garage or up to a private backyard retreat. Terracing creates the perfect spot for an in-ground pool. And beyond the trees is green space, making this one of the most private and serene lots in Laurelbrooke. Speaking of Laurelbrooke, a large clubhouse with pool and tennis courts, fishing ponds, walking trails, and plenty of green space are among the amenities you'll find in this amazing gated community. And with all the trees, you wouldn't know that you're just a stone's throw to both Grassland Elementary and Middle School, as well as Percy and Edward Warner Park. Come, be a part of this amazing community in this one-of-a-kind home. Call Bobbi Jo Astorga at Parks Realty for more information on this fabulous home or to schedule a showing.